Hi, I'm Dan from ISH24. I'm here today to talk about self-rescuers and servicing of self-rescuers. Now, there's a few stories about when an MSA self-rescuer can be serviced and should be serviced. There's only a few of us in the country that are authorised to test self-rescuers. Now, 100% of the fleet, every 12 months, they need to have a pressure test. Okay, now that can be done on site or it can be sent to us and we can do it for you here at the ISH24. Now, if you chose to send it to ISH24, we have a fleet that we can send to you free of charge. So you can use those while you send us back these ones, so you're not short. And then when we test them, we can send them back and so on. We've got 50, so we can keep flowing through until you're done without ever running short. A pressure test is pretty simple and it needs to be done every year. Then you've got your 5 yearly, or if the little seal on the front here is damaged or missing, we need to do an open inspect. If there's a dent on the back of these, a reasonable dent, we need to do an open inspect. Or every 5 years, the whole thing does need to be open anyway, and we need to do an open inspect. Now that needs to be done in one of our environmentally controlled rooms, temperature controlled rooms, and we need to do that under strict conditions, check inside, because these things don't like moisture. They kick off and will be ruined. So we need to do that in a controlled environment, which we have here. Same thing though, 5 yearly, if you let us know, we'll send you 50 units free of charge, and you pack the same case and you send us 50 back. We'll get them done within a couple of days and so on, and keep going through your whole fleet until they're done. The other thing about self-rescuers is we have a massive hire fleet. So if you're ever short for shutdowns and stuff, give us a call. They're really competitive. We can send you some to get you out of trouble for your shutdowns. The other thing that we do is we have covers for self-rescuers. Now, we spend a lot of time making these covers to protect them from dents and whatever. So this is the cover that we've come up with. It sits on your miner's belt. If you ever need it, you just rip it open. It exposes, it can't fall out. Rip down, open your self-rescue up. It's done, it's out, it's sorted, and away you go. Nice and clean, easy, sorted. That's really about it about self-rescuers. So if you've got any information, or if you want any information, sorry, or you want us to help service your self-rescuers, give us a call and we'll give you a quote and we'll take it from there. Thanks.